In 1972, a man by the name of John was mysteriously just walking on the sidewalk. He was kinda hungry as usual, but there wasn't any restaurant since he lived in New England. He tried his best to find a restaurant, but there wasn't any bar or wine and dine for him. So he decided to think of doing something really epic. So he just got food from some kind of restaurants and went on a skyscraper and dumped the food like a fucking idiot. He decided to eat some. But that was not actually enough, so he decided to dump a shitload of food off a skyscraper for some reason. Months passed by from March to September. And anyway, God got pissed off at him dumping food off the skyscraper. So on the date September 16, on Saturday, on the date September 16, 1972, God lost his shit. He started tossing large portions at people. These portions killed 30 people, and it only had one martyred death. One child died. He got his skull bashed in with a fucking beer. And that killed the child instantly at the age of 8. As its mother got crushed by a fucking corn on the cob. People thought that basically the food came out of God's dick. But even though God doesn't have any sex, it still matters. But he actually used a big bucket to dump all this shit and kill 30 people. In October on Saturday, those bodies were sent to the fucking morgue. This did not actually expire calling a chance of meatballs. It actually fucking expired that meat rain thing. Meat brain. That's a cool thing to experience.